Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic this week. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and this is the Tech Time newsletter. Welcome back for another edition, or if this is your first time, welcome to your first edition, where we cover different things around ClickFunnels 2.0, trainings, updates, all that good stuff. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into what we're going to be talking about today. The first item is going to be the ClickFunnels 2.0 releases and updates around the platform that you need to be aware of. The second item following that is going to be a training all about how to create URLs for split tests inside of your funnels for ClickFunnels 2.0. That was a mouthful. All right, just know that there is a training there. We'll get into that in a second. Following that, we have our tool of the week, which is going to be Google Chrome Tab Manager. Following that, we have the FAQ and troubleshooting section, where we answer your questions, the questions that we receive on a weekly basis, right here today, right now. That way you have a good baseline moving forward. All right. If you have questions, make sure to reply to this email and we will make sure to cover it in a future edition. All right. And lastly, we have the special offer of the week, and we'll get into that in a moment here. With that all covered, let's move on to the first section, which is going to be the feature releases of the week. The one and only item that we are covering today is going to be the ability for you to delete your universal sections inside of the platform. Prior to this, you could only remove your saved sections, not your universal ones. So if you have been piling those up for a while, just know that you have now earned the ability to go in and actually remove those. Instead of labeling them as delete, you can now go in and actually just delete them, which is pretty cool. All right, there will be an article right here, a whole guide walking you through the entire process of deleting your saved universal sections. If you're interested, just click on that. It'll take you to the right spot and walk you through the entire process. All right, moving on down, we have the quick tip and how-to of the week, which is essentially covering how to create a URL for your split test inside of your funnels. Now, this is going to be for those of you that are running a split test on an order form that happens to not be the first step in that funnel. If that's the case, you can't by default go in and have anybody directed towards the split test itself. You can either direct them to side A or side B. You can't go to the top of that and have it direct to each one of them. So that way you're still optimizing the funnel, right? But there's a workaround, and this is what we're covering in this guide right here. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about this and how to actually achieve this, just scroll down within this section, click on this link right here. It'll take you to a fully written out guide with a video at the very top that'll walk you through the entire process. Moving on to the next section, we have the tool and resource spotlight of the week. This week, we're covering the Google Chrome Tab Manager, which is essentially a built-in tool that you have at your disposal right now for free directly inside of Google Chrome. Anytime you want to group tabs together, save them so you can go and access them again. This is where this feature comes in. You don't need any third-party extensions. You can just use this out of the gate as soon as you have Google Chrome installed. If you want to learn a little bit more about this, how it works, how to use it, all that fun stuff, again, just scroll down within this section, click on this link right here. It'll take you to a fully written out guide, both written and in video, walking you through everything you need to know. Moving down, we have the most asked question of the week, which happens to be all around courses. The question itself is, where should I host my courses? ClickFunnels, Teachable, or Kajabi? And which one integrates with my business needs? That is a fantastic question, right? There's a few different angles that we can tackle this from. The first angle is price. If you're going for the lowest price, then Teachable is going to be the one to go. It's fairly user-friendly when it comes to your customer side of things, and it's pretty easy to set up a course in there. But it is very minimal as far as what else you can do around marketing, such as like setting up landing pages, sites. It's really bare bones. It's meant for courses specifically, and it does that well. And it is the cheapest price out of the three options here, right? So there is that. Now, the next step up from Teachable would be Kajabi. In this case, it allows a little bit more functionality with marketing in general. You can go in and create landing pages. You can create a sales funnel. You can add products. I believe the lowest tier, actually, let's just open this up to compare. For Kajabi, the lowest tier is $69 a month, and that allows you to create one funnel, one product. It allows you to send out emails, right? You have 1,200 marketing emails there within that specific plan. You can set up 50 landing pages. You can have 250 contacts. That's pretty low. That's something to be aware of. Let's see, 50 active customers and one website. Okay, so there's that. It is a step above Teachable. It allows you to have some more marketing capabilities when it comes to things you can set up and create, right? Which is awesome. That's fantastic. That's at $69 a month. The next thing that we're comparing with is going to be ClickFunnels, and I would say that's at the top above Kajabi. So it goes Teachable, Kajabi, then ClickFunnels. When it comes to capability the price and all that stuff. So as we go up, we're also scaling in price, but also in functionality. ClickFunnels has more functionality than Kajabi. It allows you to create unlimited sales funnels, unlimited courses, unlimited members, unlimited contacts, unlimited pages, and unlimited domains. All right, that's at the lowest tier at the startup plan here. And at a monthly basis, we're looking at $97 a month. So it is a jump above what Kajabi is currently set at, but that is for unlimited. So it opens the door a lot more. If that is what you're already using, just stick with ClickFunnels. You can create everything in one area. Everything's under one roof. When it comes to stuff like emails, your workflows, your products, there's not a cap on how many products you can create, which is awesome. I mean, Kajabi, there's a cap of 1 product for the lowest tier or 3 for the second tier up, which is crazy. What if you had 2 products within one funnel? This one is already off the table, right? And you have to be forced to go over here to the basic one, which is $149. I mean, at this point, I am still sticking with this one right here. ClickFunnels is probably the way to go if that is what you're looking for. Hopefully this answers this question right here. Now, if this gave you any other questions on your end, make sure to reply to this email and we'll include that response or that question in a future issue. With that all covered, let's move on to the last section here, which is the special offer of the week. This week, we're essentially allowing you to gate crash our open office hours. If you have any tech questions, if you have any questions around strategy, come hang out with us. We'll answer your questions live, point you in the right direction, and make sure you leave that call with a good understanding of whatever issue you're running into. All right. Just scroll down within this section, click on Get Expert Support, and it'll take you to a sign up page where you essentially just sign up. It'll give you a link and point you towards the right direction for the call. All right. We have those Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you're able to join today, fantastic. Otherwise, join another one throughout the week. All right. Okay. That is it for this week. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and I'll see you next Monday.